Hello students, welcome in our channel class 10 ncert SSC Math with Sujatag ji. Now let us see the next question students. Three sets of physics, chemistry and mathematics books have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are stored subject wise and the height of each stack is the same. The number of physics books is 144, the number of chemistry books is 180 and the number of mathematics books is 192. Assuming that the books are of same thickness, determine the number of stacks of physics, chemistry and mathematics books. So now let us see how can we solve this example. Okay students, so first here we noted down the number of books. Okay, so here the number of physics books, number of physics books is equal to 144. Number of, then the number of chemistry book, number of chemistry books is equal to 180 and the number of mathematics book, number of mathematics books is equal to 192. Now we have the three numbers students, so we have to find out the HCF of these three numbers. So the HCF of these three numbers 144, 180 and 192. We have to find out these HCF of these three numbers because we have to find out the books are of the same thickness and determine that is the number of stacks of physics, chemistry and the mathematics books. That's why we have to find out the HCF. So now here the factorization of 144 here students. So 144 that is 2 multiply 72 which is equal to 2 multiply 2 into 36 multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 18. Then here 2 multiply 2 and the 18 that means 2 nines are that means 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now here students the next one number 180. So the 2 multiply 90. So 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 5. So 5 is a 10 and 10 9s are 90. Okay. So now here the next one 192. So 192 the prime factorization of this number is 9 then 6 then here 2 multiply that is the 48. So 48 means 3 4s are 12 and 4 2 4s are 8. So these are the factors. Now here 2 multiply 3 multiply that is the 4 means 2 multiply 2 and then 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So these are the prime factorization of the 192, 180 and the 144. So now here we have to find out the HCF of these. So we have to see the lowest power of the given each and every number. So the 2, there are the 2 common are 2, 3 and the 5. These are the 3 numbers and their lowest power, that lowest power here the power is 4. Here the power of 2 will be 2 and here the power of 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 here. Okay. So now here the lowest power is 2. So that is the square of 2. Now the lowest power of the 3 here is the lowest power of the 3 is 2. Here is also the lowest power is 2 and here the lowest power is 1. So here 1 and here the lowest power of 5 that is no common in between these 3. So here 2 square of 2 and multiple of 3 because 5 is not contained in the 144. So here square of 2 multiply 3 that means 4 multiply 3 that is equal to 12. So the HCF is 12 students. Okay, so now then we have to find out the number of stacks of physics books. Number of stacks of here physics books. So now physics books that are the 144. So 144 divided by 12. So that means equal to 12. Then chemistry books. So now chemistry books are students 180. So 180 upon 12 which is equal to 15. And the mathematics books which is equal to 192 divided by 12, then 60. So such a way, the number of stacks of physics books are 12, number of stacks of chemistry books are 15, and the number of stacks of mathematics books is equal to 16. Next one example, students. Prove that 5 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 is an irrational number, given that root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, students? So now here see that we have to prove that this number is an irrational number. So let us, we say that 5 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 is not an irrational number. Okay, we have to assume that it is not an irrational number. That means we can say that here also consider, we can say that 5 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 is not an irrational number. That also instead of this we can write out it is a rational number. Okay, it is a rational number. Then here that there are the two integers a and b belongs to the integers. Okay, belongs to the integers, and where a and b are co-prime integers. Okay, students, and where the condition is that b is not equal to 0. So now here if we consider that 5 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 is a rational number, that means it represents as a upon b form. As it represents a upon b form, then we write 5 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 is equal to a upon b. So that means by simplification we write 5 root 3 is equal to a upon b minus 2 upon 3. So that means root 3 is equal to 1 upon 5 multiply a upon b minus 2 upon 3. Now further we simplify it. So further we write that root 3 is equal to 1 upon 5 multiply 3a minus 2b divided by 3b. Okay, 3b. So that means root 3 is equal to 3a minus 2b upon 15b. So now here students, that the right hand side represent as the a upon b form, that is the rational number, and here that 3a minus 2b is rational number and our given is root 3 is an irrational number. So our assumption is contradiction, that we assume that 5 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 is a rational number. That our assumption is wrong. So here we say that our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong because 3a minus 2b upon 15b belongs to rational number, and given that is root 3 is an irrational number. So that's why we can say that automatically that 5 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 is irrational number.